Hello, my name is Dr. Antonios Karadimos and I'm the Deputy Coordinator of the Subsea Engineering Program in Aberdeen University. Our Masters in Subsea Engineering is one of our oldest running programs and the most successful programs of this department. It's been running for more than 10 years and has been quite popular, as we are in Aberdeen, which is the place where people come to study subsea engineering. The main reason that students choose Aberdeen is that because it's the oil capital of Europe and a lot of the companies are located here, so we have direct link with the industry. Industry helps us in many ways. They help us first of all with a lot of guest lectures, so it's not just an academic program. We have a lot of their staff coming in and they're giving us hands-on their experience and the latest technologies, so that's a very key aspect of the project which differentiates us from other maybe programs. Another way they help us is with industry placements and projects. So when they do their summer dissertations, they can be placed in a company, which ultimately leads to employment sometimes, or most of the times. So, and we also have the opportunity to take our students to site visits, so they can see hands-on the equipment, how they build it. We have a lot of those visits scheduled every year, so this is one of the key kind of benefits to study in our program. One of the key inputs of the industry to our program is that they come every year and we have a big advisory board meeting and they give us the latest inputs, the latest trends, the latest technologies. And we had that board meeting yesterday, actually, very recently. And there's this new theme which is now becoming apparent, and we're going to change our program towards this direction. There is the electrification of a lot of the things. We need to include an electrical aspect into our modules. There's going to be an energy integration theme, or energy transition as it's called otherwise. So we are looking forward to include these elements into our program to make it fit for the next generation of subsea engineers. Coming to study here in Aberdeen, there's additional benefits. It's a small, vibrant city, so people can easily make connections with the industry, but also meet a lot of new friends. So our course helps with that because it's a very diverse audience that we have here. We include countries from Latin America, Southeast Asia and Africa. So we have people from Mexico, we have people from Nigeria, we have people from Indonesia. And they all come together, they work together in a lot of group projects, they make friends, and it's one of the things they remember. When we have alumni people coming back, they tell us that they miss the time they had with all these friends they made all over the world.